Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to change the color of a plot title in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like your plot to have a different colored title as opposed to the default black that Mathematica has. So I'll be showing you how to change the color of a plot title in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I've already got my plot code over here. So if I run this, you can see that we should have a plot that doesn't even have a title currently. So we're going to basically add our title and add the specific parameters for our title, such as the color, in one sort of function. So it's going to be the plot label function. So you type plot label and then type an arrow that goes like that, and then you're going to type a pair of square brackets. Actually, before the square brackets, you'll type style, so that specifies the style, and then inside the square brackets, you're going to type a pair of inverted commas where you're going to give your graph or your plot a title. Then after that, you're going to put a comma and you're going to say font color, like this, where the F is capitalized and so is the C, and then you're going to put another arrow and then you're going to give your title a color. I'm going to go with blue, and now if I run this, as you can see, I get a title that is in the color blue. And there you have it. If you wanted to know how to change the color of a plot title in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.